back to our channel Sri EduTech. Today our topic is sets, right? First of all, definition of set only. So set is a well-defined collection of elements or group of elements. Now example, number of people in a family, or number of days in a week, or number of months in a year. Now types of set amma. Types of sets. So in these types of sets you have mainly four types. One is union of sets. Number two, intersection of set. Number three, subtraction of set. Number four, empty set or null set. Right? Now firstly we are going to discuss about union of set only. If A comma B are two sets, then the union of set is the combination of two sets. The combination of two sets is belongs to union of set only. Right? So for suppose A comma B are two sets, then I am doing here union, then keep the union symbol in between them, then this set is called as A union B or A cup B. Right? Now I am taking an example on this topic. If A is equals to 1 comma 2, then B is equals to 2 comma 3. Then find A union B. Right? Solution, given that A is equals to 1 comma 2, B is equals to 2 comma 3. Right? Now we are doing here A union B amma. So A union B means what? The combination of two sets. See, 1 comma 2 union 2 comma 3. Right? In this A union B, so the combination of two sets and also which is common in the two sets, the two elements write at single time, then you have the answer 1 comma 2 comma 3. It is called as A union B is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Next, intersection of set. And if A comma B are two sets, then the intersection of set is which is common elements. Means which is same elements in both sets is belongs to intersection of set. It is denoted by cap. If I am taking A comma B are two sets, I am doing here intersection and I am writing A cap B. It is known as A intersection B. And I am taking an example. If A is equals to P comma Q, then B is equals to Q comma R, then find A cap B. Right? Given that A is equals to P comma Q and B is equals to Q comma R. Now I am doing here A cap B. A cap B means which is common elements. What is common in this? Q. Let's see here P comma Q cap, Q comma R. Then Q is the common in both sets. Then A cap B is equal to Q is the answer. Right? This is intersection of set. Next, subtraction of set amma. See, A comma B are two sets amma, right? Subtraction of set means, you know, the subtraction means minus. Let's see here that we can take A is equals to 1 comma 2, then B is equals to 2 comma 3 amma, right? Most of them confusing here, so don't confuse, it is simply C. So subtraction means minus, right? I am doing here subtraction of set amma. Subtraction of set means A minus B, right? A means 1 comma 2 minus B means 2 comma 3 amma, right? Subtraction of set means which is the same elements having the two sets cutting after which is the remaining elements of the given first set is belongs to A minus B amma, right? So which is the first set in the given question? A is the first set, right? So which is the remaining element? 1 is the remaining element. Next, joint and disjoint set sum, right? Joint and disjoint sets. Let's see, joint set means, for suppose if A comma B are two sets, right? In these sets, if you have any common elements, then that is belongs to joint set amma, right? Next, disjoint set amma, there is no common elements in these sets, that is belongs to joint set. Right? Let us take an example. A is equals to 1 comma 2 and B is equals to 2 comma 3 amma. Let's see, in these two sets 2 is the common element, then that's why it is called as joint set amma. Next, see, A is equals to 2 comma 3 and B is equals to 4 comma 5 amma. Let's see these sets, there is no common elements in these sets, that's why it is called as disjoint set, right? Next వచ్చేసి finite and infinite sets amma. See, finite and infinite, right? Finite means which are countable is called as finite set. Infinite means which are uncountable is called as finite set amma, right? See, example of finite set, the number of days in a week amma. The number of days in a week, how many days? 7 days. It is countable, right? Next, the number of days in a January month, it is countable, right? So next, infinite set amma. Infinite set means it is uncountable now. Example, the number of stars in the sky, it is uncountable, right? So this is the infinite set, right? Next, roster and set builder form, right? Roster and set builder form. Roster form means we are using commas in the special brackets in roster form. See, for suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3, right? So this is the roster form. Set builder form means it is satisfies one property or one theorem or one condition. So this is called as set builder form. See, so write the set builder form of this number 1 comma 2 comma 3 amma. Let's see, x such that x is a natural number less than 4. Okay, x such that x is a natural number less than 4. Right? It is the set builder form. Next, or x such that x belongs to n. Okay, x less than 4. So write this like also. Okay, so this is the set builder form. Okay, right? Next, subset sum. See, you have one formula on the subsets topic, that is 2 power n number. N means number of elements. Okay. See, for suppose 1 comma 2 amma. Write the subsets of 1 comma 2. Let us see how many number of elements in this set. 2 elements amma. Write substitute n is equal to 2 in this formula. 2 power 2 is equals to 2 into 2 amma. 2 into 2 means 4. Right, you have 4 subsets amma. See, first one 5, next 1, next 2, next 1 comma 2. Right, here 5 is the common subset for all the sets. Right? Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, you have 4 subsets. Okay, Amma. Right, this is the subset sum. It is important for 1 mark. Right, next. Venn diagram sum. Venn diagrams. First one, A union B amma. I mean, union of set Venn diagram. See, first draw a box and write it universal set mu amma. Next, draw 2 sets. This is A and this is B. Okay now. You know already, union of set means the combination of 2 sets amma. Combination means both. Right? So that's why I shared all amma. This is union of set. Next, number 2, A intersection B amma, intersection of set Venn diagram. So same, draw a box, write here mu universal set. You can draw the 2 sets A and B. Okay, intersection of set means which is common. So common part this only, then we have to shade here amma. This is A intersection B Venn diagram. Next, third one, A minus B amma, subtraction of set. Right, see, same, draw a box, write the mu universal set, then draw set A and set B. Right, A minus B set means A only, because of which is the first set of the given 2 sets, that is belongs to subtraction of set amma. So in this A is the first set, then this is the A amma. Right, we have to share the first set. Right, next, number 4, empty set amma. Right, empty set means you know already A5B amma. So same, draw a box, write here mu, then draw it 2 sets. This is A and this is B. Because of it has no elements, because of this is an empty set. Right, this is Venn diagram sum. Next, some key points sum. It is useful to half mark question sum. See, if A comma B are 2 sets and then A is the subset of B, A is the subset of B, then the answer is B only amma. A is the subset of B, and it means A is the subset of B means This is A in includes B. That is answer is B amma. See, one more question. C is the subset of D. Then the answer is C only. Right? Next one, see here. If A minus B is equals to A only. Right? Because of the first set. Next, E minus F is equals to E only amma. Right? Okay. Next, see one more key point. If A comma B are two sets, okay na? If A comma B are two sets, right? A is equals to 1 comma 2 and B is equals to null set amma. Right? Then A union B is equals to what amma? A union B is equal to what amma? A only. Because of B having no elements. Right? Next, A intersection B means null set. Why? Because there is no common elements, no. Right? This is A intersection B. Got it, all of you? Right. Next. Next one, important amma. See, N of A union B is equals to N of A plus N of B minus of N of A intersection B and D. Right? This is one condition. This is one formula. So take an example and prove it amma. See, right, let us see. A is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then B is equals to 3 comma 4 comma 5 amma. Right? See, N of A amma. N of A means number of elements in A. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3. Right? N of A is equal to 3. Next, N of B amma. N of B means number of elements in B. How many of there? 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Right? Now, A union B amma. A union B. Right? A means 1 comma 2 comma 3 union. B means 3 comma 4 comma 5. Right? Then union means combination of two sets amma. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? This is A union B. Now, N of A union B amma. N of A union B means number of elements in A union B. How many number of elements are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? This is 5. Next, A intersection B amma. Right? A intersection B in A means 1 comma 2 comma 3. Intersection B means 3 comma 4 comma 5. Right? See, intersection means which is the common elements in both sets, no? Here 3 is the common, then write it 3 amma. This is A intersection B. Right now, N of A intersection B amma. N of A intersection B means number of elements in A intersection B. How many of them amma? Only 1. Then write it 1. Now these values substitute in this formula. Then we get it. See amma. N of A union B is equals to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B amma. Right? See, N of A union B means 5 amma is equal to N of A means 3 plus N of B means 3 minus N of A intersection B means 1 amma. Right? 1. Then 5 is equals to 3 plus 3, 6 and D, 6 minus 1. Right? Then 5 is 6 minus 1, 5 amma. Therefore, 5 is equal to 5. LHS is equal to RHS. Right? So, this is the answer amma. Okay? Next. Next, see, A is equals to factors of 6 amma. Next b is equals to factors of 8 amma. Next c is equals to factors of 9 amma. Then find a union b comma a intersection c comma b union c of intersection a comma c intersection a of union b. Right? See, first of all we have to write down the factors of the given numbers, then we have to do this amma. Right? First a is equals to factors of 6 amma. You know already factors of 6. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 6. Right? Next factors of 8 amma. B is equals to, what is that? 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. Right? Next factors of 9 amma. C is equals to 1 comma 3 comma 9. Right? Next first one A union B amma. Right? Union B. In A union B, what is A? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Union B means 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. You know already union means combination of two sets amma. See, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. Right? This is A union B. Next what amma? A intersection C amma. A intersection C. And what is A? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 intersection C means what amma? Factors of 9. C means what amma? 1 comma 3 comma 9. Right? Intersection means common elements. Which is common in this? 3 is the common. Write down 3 is the answer. Right? Next B union C of intersection A amma. B union C of intersection A. Right? So first you have to find B union C, then we have to add it intersection A. Right? See, first B union C is equals to, what is B amma? 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. Union C means 1 comma 3 comma 9. Right? See, union means combination amma. So write it 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 8 comma 9. Right? Write in order amma. Okay na? Right? Next to B union C of intersection A. See, what is B union C? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 8 comma 9 intersection A means what amma? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Right? Intersection means which is common in both sets. No. See, which is common? 1 comma 2 comma 3 amma. Right? This is a B union C of intersection A. Right? Next what amma? C intersection A of union B amma. Right? So first we have to find C intersection A, then we have to add it union B. See, C intersection A is equal to, what is C amma? 1 comma 3 comma 9 intersection A means what amma? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Right? See, intersection with common elements amma. Which is common? 1 comma 3 is the common. Right? Write it 1 comma 3. Next, C intersection A of union B amma. Let's see, what is C intersection A? 1 comma 3. Union B means what amma? 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8. Right? So what is do here? Union. Union means combination amma. See, write it 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 8. So this is the answer amma. Right? So now I will wind up this session.